Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, about 1/2 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. These basic components are all that's required for delicious homemade pasta. We'll start by measuring the flour onto a clean surface, forming a small well in its center. This well is crucial for gradually incorporating the water, ensuring a smooth dough. Now, carefully pour about 1/2 cup of water and your pinch of salt into the well you created in the flour. Slowly begin to incorporate the flour from the edges into the water, using a fork or your fingertips. Once a shaggy dough forms, turn it out and knead it vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your pasta wonderfully elastic and easy to work with. The dough should feel smooth and resilient. After kneading, it's vital to let your dough rest. Cover it with a clean cloth or plastic wrap and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes. This resting period relaxes the gluten, making the dough much easier to roll. Next, divide your dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and, using a rolling pin, roll it out as thinly as possible, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Consistency is key here. Once your dough is rolled thin, lightly flour it to prevent sticking, then fold it gently. Now, with a sharp knife, cut your pasta into your desired shapes, perhaps classic fettuccine or thin spaghetti. Unfold the cut pasta and dust with a little more flour. Finally, bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Cook your fresh bread pasta for just 2 to 3 minutes until it floats and is al dente. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.